Lots of clamps on the marketplace, but I think most people know the one-handed clamp. And if you know one-handed clamp and you know the brand Irwin, you'll certainly know the quick grip range. The quick grip clamps are certainly market leaders, and this is a superb little twin pack. It's the light duty model, so it's quite small and compact. It's a 6-inch pair. You get a pair of these in the pack as well. You can see on the card there, they might be little, but they really do pack a punch. 140 pounds, 63 kilos of clamping force. So that means when you're clamping something down, you're clamping something together, really, really strong, very, very useful, and obviously it's quality. Lots of these sort of things about in the marketplace, but none of them have this sort of clamping force for this size. None of them have this sort of quality as well. So all their bigger range of clamps, the little ones have just the same performance in them. Take a quick look at it. So you've got a very nice clamping frame. You've got a quick release button there. So you release that and you can slide the clamp backwards and forwards. Very, very easy. Release the clamp and then obviously use the handle to actually tighten it up. So if you wanted to clamp something onto here, squeeze that up and that's not going anywhere. So you've got 2 of those in the pack. You've got soft grips on the jaws as well, so they're not going to damage any of your workplace. This is a really handy little pack with this particular size, not just for wood clamping. You might want to clamp some sheeting up. You might want to clamp something down overnight while it's gluing. Something a little bit small or intricate and you need a clamp and you want to use something hands-free. You can hold things in place while you're cutting or sawing. It's a really superb little set, 6-inch twin pack from Irwin. Pop them in your toolbox, really find them very useful. So once it's clamped, very easy to release, press the button again. You can see that's freed off straight away, pull it away from your workpiece. As we say, Irwin products, really high quality. This is a twin pack quick grip, one-handed clamp, 2 in a pack. Put a pair in your toolbox.